Today I am reviewing the DJI Mini 4K camera drone combo. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Hey everyone, today we're reviewing the DJI Mini 4K camera drone combo, one of the most exciting compact drones for adults in 2026. Whether you're a beginner, a travel vlogger, or a photography enthusiast, this drone packs a ton of features into a lightweight package, weighing under 249 grams. That means no FAA registration is required for recreational use, making it super convenient for hobbyists who just want to fly without paperwork. First off, the camera setup is outstanding. You get 4K Ultra HD resolution combined with a 3-axis gimbal, which ensures your videos stay smooth and cinematic even while flying. Whether you're shooting a sunrise, a sunset, or night scenes, the drone delivers crisp, vibrant footage. The gimbal stabilization is perfect for capturing professional-looking shots without any shakiness, which is especially great for vloggers or social media creators who want clean content straight from the drone. Next, let's talk about flight performance. This drone can handle wind speeds up to 38 kilometers per hour, which is classified as level 5 wind resistance. Its brushless motors allow it to take off at high altitudes, even up to 4,000 meters, giving you stable flight in various environments. Whether you're near the beach, mountains, or cityscapes, the Mini 4K maintains control and precision, which is impressive for such a compact drone. One of the most exciting features is the 10-kilometer maximum HD video transmission. That's right, you can stream live footage up to 32,800 feet away with excellent anti-interference capabilities. This allows you to explore large areas and capture aerial perspectives you couldn't get otherwise, whether it's for outdoor adventures, travel, or real estate photography. And the best part? You can easily switch between different views and angles thanks to DJI's intuitive controls. Battery life is another standout aspect. This combo includes 2 batteries, giving you a maximum flight time of 62 minutes, and there are even options for a third battery to extend it to 93 minutes. That means less time worrying about recharging and more time in the air capturing stunning footage. DJI also provide a shoulder bag, propeller holder, and spare propellers, so you're fully equipped for longer flights and easy portability. For beginners, the Mini 4K is extremely user-friendly. It features one-tap takeoff and landing, GPS return to home, and stable hovering, so even first-time drone pilots can operate it safely. DJI also provides in-app tutorials to help you master flight quickly, giving you confidence to explore advanced maneuvers. And speaking of creativity, the drone comes with QuickShots intelligent modes. With just a few taps, you can shoot professional-level videos using Helix, Drone, Rocket, Circle, or Boomerang. These automated modes make it simple to capture cinematic shots without complicated setups, so you can focus on your composition instead of worrying about controls. Overall, the DJI Mini 4K camera drone combo is an incredible package. It's lightweight, portable, and beginner-friendly, yet powerful enough for stunning 4K footage, extended flight times, and cinematic video. Whether you're a casual flyer, a travel enthusiast, or a content creator, this drone provides everything you need to capture breathtaking aerial shots. If you're looking for a compact, professional-grade drone that doesn't require registration, offers advanced stabilization, long battery life, and intelligent filming modes, the DJI Mini 4K is definitely worth checking out.